Hey guys, Dr. Taylor and Dr. Luoma here with One Life Chiropractic and Gulf Coast UltraSlim. This is going to be part 2 of our VitaminMed Kit breakdown series. The first video, what we did is we went through all of the supplements and exactly what those were going to help you do while you're on our weight loss kit. And on this video, we wanted to break down a little bit further into detail how the actual manual and the actual plan of the kit works itself.
So this is a 30-day kit overall, okay? When you go through this kit, it has 3 phases during that 30 days, okay? Phase 1, 2, and 3. The first phase when you're doing this is called the fat loading phase. This lasts about 2 days. What you're basically going to do is you're going to be eating a lot of fats at a very high rate for 2 days, and then once you hit that second day, the third day begins and phase 2 starts. Phase 2 is what's called the
Weight loss phase.
Weight loss phase. Thanks, Doc. During this phase, you're basically going to put yourself through a different type of eating regime. That means you're going to be having 6 small meals a day. Okay. When you do these 6 small meals a day, it's really going to help you with the metabolism of yourself to increase it. Because remember, we're trying to increase your metabolism so that you can lose more fat at a very high rate. And then that's when phase 3 comes in after you get through phase 2. Phase 2 lasts about 28 days. And then once you get through that, you're going to hit our stabilization phase, which is phase 3. The stabilization phase is very key because once we get that metabolism really high and you've already lost weight during this weight loss phase, you want to stay there. And now, don't get me wrong, cheating itself will put you right back to where you were. Eating bonbons and all that kind of stuff, but to keep your metabolism at its highest peak, you want to do the stabilization phase, and that involves a low-calorie diet as well as implementing still these supplements that the kit comes with.
Yeah, so it's really just about a 2 to 3 week stabilization phase that you are retraining your body now to say, this is my new weight, and your metabolism will set to that weight instead of your old weight, so that when you do start to implement new foods back in and carbohydrates and other things like that, your body doesn't immediately start to store it as fat. It will continue to burn those carbs as well as the fat during that phase.
Correct.
And then just throughout the manual, we just wanted to hit a few high points. This is super easy, guys. I mean, it takes 10 minutes to read this manual. It is a step-by-step done-for-you plan. There's tips for success in here that teaches you how to kind of be successful. Here's each phase broken down. Phase 1 is the fat loading phase. Phase 2 is the weight loss phase. Dr. Nate's got his phone on. Here is here's a page.
Hey, Mom.
Here's a page right here that says proper planning prevents poor performance. So you have to plan a little bit in this. It just takes a little bit of effort, guys, but that's all. Phase 3, stabilization phase. So in the back of it, a lot of people ask, what foods can I eat? Here's all the beverages that you can have in 30 days. Here's all of the proteins that you can have as well. They're all listed here for you. Here's all of the vegetables that you can have in 30 days. So you can go to the grocery store and pick any one of these that you want to and cook it as it's told. And here's the fruit list that you can have. And then that's really it, guys. I mean, it's basically plain and simple. All you have to do is go through this and follow it step by step. And again, women are about half a pound a day of weight loss and men are about a pound a day. You also want to go through our VitaminMed cookbook that comes with each kit as well. It's about a 100-page cookbook that has healthy recipes that go along with the manual and all the foods that are listed on your grocery list in here. It's very easy to follow, very easy to cook this food, very easy to meal prep for the 30 days as well. And again, it's just a super easy kit, guys, that is it's safe, it's effective, and it really helps boost your weight loss, especially if you're doing the UltraSlim. And that's it.
Good job.
Comments, questions, subscribe.
Now let's do that again.